Hello, we are at 1243 2nd Avenue, and we're right at Hugo by UCSF in the inner Sunset. Okay, right when you come in, the front door of the flat opens up into a large living room. These windows here across the front are facing east. Living room, dining room combo with a foyer. This building has Xfinity in terms of cable and internet. Coming from the dining, we pass into a beautiful updated kitchen. All white cabinets, stainless steel stove, gas stove, dishwasher, full-size fridge. Okay, we got a disposal here underneath. And just tons and tons of cabinet space. We just got done with some updates, so please excuse the dust. We're having the cleaners through here shortly. Okay, off the kitchen here, we got a nice big laundry room. Some additional storage here in the laundry room. That is the back door, heads down to a great little shared yard and also the back way into the garage. This unit does come with a parking space. Okay, gas forced air furnace. There's the cold air return. Here's the thermostat. Got two bedrooms here side by side. This is the larger of the two. These windows are facing west. Okay, and here is the shared backyard. Hardwood floors throughout the unit, except for the kitchen and bathroom, of course. Okay, closet for this room. Here in the hallway, we have a linen closet. And there's actually another linen closet in the bathroom. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, bedroom number 2. Again, windows are facing west. This is the smaller of the two bedrooms, although you could still do a king or a queen size bed comfortably. Certainly a king size bed in the other one that we just saw. There's another peek at the yard. And this bedroom has a big double closet. Got some built-in shelves. Okay. 1.5 baths in this unit. So here's the full bath. There's that additional linen closet. Shower over tub. Hi, everybody. And then here up front, we have a half bath. Little coat room here outside of the half bath. And for all you Harry Potter fans, this is the cupboard under the stairs, okay? As I mentioned, the unit does come with a parking space, 1-car parking in the shared garage, and also there is some external storage in a storage room that is shared between the two units. Okay, thanks so much for watching. And again, we've been at 1243 2nd Avenue.